What are you shopping for today?
I was shopping for fabric for a tree skirt, and I also wanted to do the ornament that they had.
Ooh, wonderful. Now, why are you shopping Small Business Saturday?
To support the local businesses. This is my community, and I want to support it.
What are you shopping for today?
I came for backing fabric for a quilt I'm making for a Christmas present.
Ooh. Does this person know they're getting a Christmas present of a quilt?
No, they do not.
So I won't ask you who it's for. We'll keep that confidential. All right. So why are you shopping Small Business Saturday?
To support the local businesses, and I just love coming over to Arcade. I actually live in Perrysburg, the other end of the county,
Oh wow.
and I love Sandy to pieces. She's the most generous person I've ever met.
Wow, that's awesome. What are you shopping for today?
Actually, I don't sew. I'm worthless at sewing, but I come with my daughter and I tag along, and we just love coming over here and being in the store and just browsing and enjoying the wonderful people in here. We do love them very much.
Oh, that's awesome. And so, what does, Small Business Saturday mean to you?
Supporting your local businesses, because it's so nice not having to go into a loft or come into a nice store where everybody's so friendly and so helpful.
What are you shopping for today?
I am shopping for kitty fabric.
Kitty fabric for what?
Pillowcases?
Are they for your kitties?
No, for my grandkitties.
Oh, perfect. All right, so what does shopping on Small Business Saturday mean to you?
Oh, it means shopping local, supporting our local business people.
What are you here shopping for today?
Possibly more fabric that I don't need.
Oh, and what would you use this fabric for?
Yet another quilt that I'll never finish.
All right, what does shopping Small Business Saturday mean to you?
That I support the little businesses more than the big box businesses.
What are you shopping for today here at Creekside Fabric?
I've been here this morning and got the sale, and now I'm back for the surprise sale of fabrics.
And how do you feel about the surprise sale?
It was very good. It will be very good.
And then what does shopping Small Business Saturday mean to you?
Well, I live in Arcade, so you provide business for all these little shops that are in Arcade area.
Sandy? Sandy? Is everything all right?
Oh, is Small Business Saturday over with yet? It's been exhausting. Oh, man. We had 45 people at 8 to 10, another 25 from 10 to 12. Oh, I'm just so tired. See you all tomorrow.